Abusiafo sabre ya ba menu abema kama yopo menu abema no live wom sabre ya ba ne shop wo sha enye ize ni shop ni o na niam ahodo a woton no me pese onu ankasa explain it to my brother. How are you?
Hello, I'm very well, thank you.
Yeah, I want you to mention your name to the people and tell us what you have.
Okay. So my name is Nana Prempeteria, as you know, Nana Prempe, Ghanaian, from the Ashanti royal family. So I am the founder of the brand called Prempe, which is part of the Eagles apparel. And Prempe, what we do is we bring the African culture and heritage into streetwear, into fashion. Our main aim is to ensure that, especially from Ghana, we're using our Edinburgh symbols, like Jinyame, like our Confina, like all the Edinburgh symbols, you know, we just put onto clothes and onto different attires to ensure that people who don't know about our culture can get to know about our culture, can get to know about the heritage of Ghana. When we say, oh, Ghana, yeah, so we have deeper meaning and deeper understanding into our culture. See, what we do in the set, we do t-shirts, we do caps, we do hoodies, we do tracksuits, we do beanie hats, we do socks. Just to make sure say everyone will get to know how rich our Ghanaian culture and African heritage and history is. See, that's what Prempe is all about. Our main aim is to ensure that we are propagating the culture and heritage of Africa.
Inti what the Ghana symbols now obobo din no na yesa na ma ni nyina.
Batai. Nti o Jinyame tracksuits, there were Jinyame hoodies, there were Jinyame eche, there were Jinyame beanie, even a Miche Jinyame nti or different Jinyame or Confina eches or Confina hoodies war, there were different clothing brands, you know.
Okay, nti we are UK na Ghana na de abra. We are Ghana na de abra na UK na we no.
Nti your suppliers you be Ghana. This is here kwa no nkofo bon wia you per say yedikente if you Ghana feel pa yed kan brand no. Nti the brand no is from Ghana, UK and other parts of the world, yes.
Only nkofo ka say obon wire. Sana okay.
Bon wia supply chan kente. Nti hopefully
only we say what them if you.
Oh sir.
O fi mi kroma na o ko bonjure wo.
Oh and then mama fi.
Papa. Tino ka bonjure na mi bi sound. O say enti mo de kente nkwa. Me say me pa next year na de kente fi ankasa. Ankofo hu say enye kente material na auto shop ne bi ne fi ankasa Ghana no na etu ye de aye ene mo ankofo hu say you Ghana so ye wo. No. Okay, if somebody wants you to post it, delivery, can you do it?
Yes, we can. So we ship everywhere in the world, like into Ghana, to United States, to Europe, everywhere in the world. You can ship it. So all you have to do is just go onto our website, which is www.prempeofficial.com. www.prempeofficial.com. We call Facebook also Prempe Official. We call Instagram and TikTok also Prempe_official. We be all Prempe_official. We will be our Ghana, or China, or US, or Canada. We will be with me at online. They are shipping their bill.
TikTok Prempe_official. Okay, and
Facebook, Instagram,
Okay. Your final word I overcome that chairman for.
My final word is just as Ghanaians, as Africans, to embrace our culture and our heritage. It's very, very important. That's what makes us who we are. Indeed, all I want to say is we should wear our culture and our heritage and everything with pride. I say, you may need to say Ghana for, say, you may need to say African for, say, you may need to say for. Right now, this month, Black History Month, you know, the episode will be a need to say, or you
Okay.
Thank you. To me, that's it.
You
That's it.
see our customers ne wado for if you for Roma for baby the baby person chia ne bia.
No, to me, just kind of phobia and it's into phobia and we are saying na because Ghana they are among free Cape Coast, Asante 4 and Fante 4 and Zama 4 and Can 4. The church will be your customers somewhat to a deal from us before. No, we say a massive thank you to you. Our new customers coming to you. No, we want to say a massive thank you to you. Just go onto our website, order whatever you need, and we will trust me. You have the best quality and best service from us. So thank you so much, Auntie, as well for coming and for helping us.
Matthias, and Julie Juu Tv. Cause subscribe to your channel no. And your mother baby oh ha yeah they bro. And your mother for bye.
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 Auntie.